Ride the train, come along, counting numbers in a song. Listen close, don't go fast. Say each number, make it last. Number 1, the journey starts. Number 2, 2 happy hearts. Number 3, hop hop hooray. Number 4, clap along, okay? Number 5, feel alive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count it up, don't skip a line. Every number right on time. Step by step we move ahead. Say it clear, just like we said. Number 6, hear the roar. Number 7, jump some more. Number 8, glide so straight. Number 9, feeling fine. Number 10, here again. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take it slow, say each sound. Numbers rising all around. No repeats and none we miss. Counting train goes just like this. Number 11, wave hello. Number 12, off we go. Number 13, tall and bright. Number 14, hold on tight. Number 15, jump with joy. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Number 16, wash away. Number 17, bright today. Number 18, quick and keen. Number 19, fast and clean. Number 20, we made it. 1 to 20, now you know. Counting numbers as we go. Right again, let's go once more.